When it comes to shot blasting machines, not much has changed in 30 years. Or has it? Starting in 2016, a bunch of technocrats got together and started MPME Abrasives. They decided to eat, sleep and breathe shot blasting machines. For example, just look at the various types of shot blasting machines that they have on offer today. Whether you want the tumble, the drum, the hanger, the overhead rail, the conveyor, they have them all. And if you're wondering what their quality is like, just ask some of the many customers that they are working with currently, and hopefully that should convince you. Now, although steel shots and grits are their bread and butter product, they've also developed something called the metal fines recovery system, which helps you to clean the floor from all the steel shots and grits that have fallen over your blast room, thereby eliminating the need to buy steel shots every now and then. Thanks MPME. But what really amazed me is their Shot Blast 360, which is some of the highest technology I've seen for shot blasting machines anywhere till date. But more about that in a later video. Now for a full range of products, head over to foundrybiz.com and type in MPME in the search bar, where you can see all their products in one place. So if you've made it this far in the video, do subscribe to our channel. This is where we are posting all the latest, newest technology in the foundry industry all in one place. So we'll see you in the next video, and cheers.